guys, what's up? You literally are catching me on the most barefaced day ever. I don't think I've been so bare in an intro for a while. Like, no eyebrows, no lashes, no eye makeup, no concealer. Feels very vulnerable, but I kind of like it. I like being naked. So today's video, I am doing a Boxy charm. I haven't done a Boxy charm in so long. I'm not going to go into detail, and I'm mostly focusing on getting ready with my Boxy charm and doing a makeup look. And I'm super excited. I did do a December Boxy Luxe video, but you guys, I guess half the video footage was deleted. The most important half, where I do like all my eyes and everything. So I just had to throw that all away, and I felt so bad because that was such a good box. If you guys got a Boxy Luxe box in December, comment below and tell me what you think about it. I thought it was amazing. I loved it. I think Boxy Luxe is worth it. I'm going to do it again. But today we have the regular, just Boxy charm, January Boxy charm. We'll go through it and we'll put it on the face. So I literally have nothing on my face because I already peeked in here, and we have some makeup in here to try on. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. And also keep your eyes peeled because we are having a foundation week coming up. Give me a like if you're excited for that. You definitely want to be subscribed. So let's just get started with Boxy charm. Boxy charm is $21 a month. That's all I'm going to say about it. I always say in every video, talk about it, but you can always check out my other videos. So the first thing that's in the box is the Briogeo Resarco Milk Repairing Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I've gotten something from this brand before, and I really liked it. And I heard that their scalp repair mask is genius, so I'm ordering that and I'm gonna try that out. So this is really good, and this retails for 12 buckos. So there's that. Okay, next is this baby right here. It's the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. You get 2 of these, and this one costs $24. So leave it on for 15 minutes. So I'll definitely show you guys how I did this, not today, but I'm gonna show you guys. So it says a blend of lightweight rice germ oil derived from the most nutritious, rich portion of rice and a high concentration of botanical oils and extracts leave skin velvety smooth, dewy, and luminous. So you basically put this all over your face, leave it on for 15 minutes, then you take it off and just massage the remaining serum into your skin. And I love masks, and these are super nice, so I'm really excited to try these. The next thing in the box is this. It's the BDB Billion Dollar Brows Universal Brow Pencil. So let's get you guys in close and let's do some brows. This retails for $18. Here we go. It is a universal brow pencil. It has a spoolie on one side and it has a pencil on the other side. I've gotten the Rainforest Tarte by the Sea Volume 2 palette in a Boxy charm before, which looks like this. And in this Boxy charm, they included the Rainforest by the Sea Volume 3 palette, which retails for $36. Okay, and it looks like this. So this is the Volume 2. This is the Volume 3, and I love this packaging. The colors are so fun. And this is what it looks like. It's definitely lighter. Basically all shimmer except for one, and it says the eyeshadow palette, highlighting palette is what it says. So this is Volume 3. This is Volume 2. So you can kind of see the difference here. So there is a difference. This one's darker. This one has a lot of highlighting, bright, shimmery shades. Really gorgeous, but you can't necessarily use this on its own. Okay, I'll go into this Volume 3 and I'll go into this shade, which is the only matte shade, which is not even matte. It's like a satin finish, it seems. So I'm going to go into that and put that in the transition area. It's like a light skin tone color. Ooh, it's still giving me some color. Like I can still see it. And it has like a creamy look to it. Okay, so I'm going to go into this volume 2 and I'm just going to go into this shade right here to just put into the crease a tiny bit. I really love this palette, and so I definitely think I'm going to like this other one. I think that it's good quality. I like Tarte shadows. I think that they are good quality. So I think that's great that it's in the box. For all over the lid, let me swatch these. I'm going to swatch all these shimmers really quickly for you. Whoa, they're very extremely soft, extremely pigmented. So this is what it looks like, and these are these 7 shimmery shades. Really beautiful and pigmented and nice. This one, I think I'm going to do this one all over the lid, and these remind me so much of the Pat McGrath shadows, like this light angelic look, shimmery look. That's kind of what it reminds me of. I'm not saying comparing them or anything like that, but I'm saying the colors themselves remind me of that. All right, so here we go. I'm putting that shade all over the lid. Without any fix plus or anything, for just a light wash, which is giving me a lot of pigmentation already. And I just put some of like these 2 first shades right in the inner corner. And I'm just going to get into a blending brush and just blend out those edges. So I'm going to get this darkest shadow and just smudge it close to the lashes. Alright, so I'm going to pop on some lashes and finish like my face, and then I'll be back and we'll go with the final product, which is a lip product, and I'm super excited about. Okay, so I have all of the rest of my makeup done. Let's finish off with the last lip product that I was super excited to see in the box. The Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Havana Nights. I actually have the Havana Nights Kale Polish matching polish, and I'm really excited to now have this one. So I had to put it on because I'm cheesy like that. And let's put it on. And this is actually the new Ofra packaging, which is really excited because they kept giving us the old one, which is nice, but this is like really sleek. So it's really, really nice. So let's pop this on. Oh, this is like dream formula right here. This is so gorgeous, a deep red. This is what I'm talking about. See why you want like a light wash on your eyes? Because this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I love Ofra formula. It's so soft, and I have like crusty lips. Okay, so that's it for January's BoxyCharm try on. What do you think about my look? I actually really like the palette. I love the packaging on this. It's so gorgeous, and I like that there are a bunch of shimmery light colors because they're really unique. I don't really have colors like this. I mean, they look like something about them, they're just really angelic and beautiful, and I'm really excited to have this. As well as the lippy, oh my gosh, I love this so much. I'm so glad that they put this in. And just in case I didn't mention, I think this retails for $18. Let me check. Let's cut it up. Where is the card for this? This retails for $20. This costs $20 normally. So I really like this, and I'm super excited about masks because I'm all into masks and I need some sort of mask going for me, please. Anyways, so I'm actually really happy with this month's BoxyCharm. I really, really love it. So I give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to come back because foundation week is coming up, you guys. I am so excited. I'm gonna do one of these masks before I start foundation week because my face needs some love. My face needs some love. Anyways, you guys, I love you guys. You guys are absolutely amazing. I hope you've been enjoying all the videos that I've been doing for you guys in 2019, and I'm excited to continue. And yeah, I guess I'll just see you guys next time. Bye, guys.